Fresh Farm here, and we're out harvesting some carrots. These are Nance. It's like a short and sweet variety, so these are the ideal. I found these are awesome for grilling. They cook up pretty fast. You just throw them on there with small oil, throw them on your grill, and it's life-changing with carrots. But anyway, so these are the ones we're gonna do for eating. Lindsay's got kind of runts from the back of the row, and she does a carrot soap. She got the recipe. It's from Lovely Greens. And then one thing we do, we got all these carrot tops. A lot of these will go in the compost, but today I'm gonna share with you. This is I make a carrot top. It's chimichurri. So that's today's recipe. It'll be a real quick one, super simple. We'll do this with some grilled steak, Argentinian style, and it'll be awesome. Alright, good afternoon, we're back. This carrot tops we talked about earlier, and this is how we make chimichurri. So I got flank steak I'm gonna put it on, and here's those grilled carrots. Tanya, they're gonna be awesome. So what I like to do is just take, I don't know, what is this, half cup of carrot tops, just the tops, kind of chop them. The stems can be there too, but get rid of the big stems. I just kind of start rough chopping this up a little bit. And obviously you can do this in a food processor or a blender if you had it. I'm just doing it this way because it's just showing basically how easy this is. If you got any knife skills. So 3 cloves of garlic. Just peeled. Toss them right out, and you worry about getting the stem a little bit off because this will just be kind of minced up. Get some fresh oregano, about 2 tablespoons of that maybe. Dried chili flakes. You could sub in a jalapeno too. That's actually the traditional way of making chimichurri, but we don't grow them usually. A couple cranks of black pepper, and then some salt right over the top. And actually, like, when you put these on top of salt and everything, it kind of adds to the whole crushing, grating effect when you're mincing this up. So don't get too worried about what you're doing, just running that knife through here, reducing this down. And this is a pretty rustic chimichurri. Now, for those of you that don't know, what chimichurri would usually be parsley, oregano, and then the same things. A Fresno chili or a jalapeno, and then the garlic and the spices. But I just started subbing this in because we had carrot tops on hand. This chop's looking pretty good. A little bit more, so you can see it's starting to get pretty fine. That's all I'm looking for. This doesn't have to be like smoothie consistency. And ideally, like my steak's not even on the grill yet. I like to make this a little ahead, and then it kind of lets everything infuse and all the flavors come together. So I think that's good enough. We're in the bowl. And then a tablespoon red wine vinegar. And just enough olive oil to get a nice sauce consistency. So that's all ready. Nice and colorful, nice and vibrant. And once the steak's done, throw that right on the steak. All I'm done with the steak is put some salt on, just season it. So that's where it's going on the grill next. Started at the grill, just threw the carrots right on the steak. And usually I do this on the wood fire and grill on the asada, but I don't have time today. checking everybody here. So we're looking for with the carrots, nice char on them. And if you're unsure, I just do these on high. If you're unsure, just take your knife like a good gaucho would have, and if they feel soft, they're done. The steak just needs a little longer, but I want to get these carrots off before they get too done. So with this steak, it's pretty apparent where the grain's running. I mean, you can see the grains running side to side here. So it's just like skirt steak. Cut it pretty thin, and cut it across the grain. And then what I like too is you get this thin pointy end down here of the steak, so you got some more well done, and then it'll be probably more medium up towards the other side. So it's pretty good for serving to a crowd of people. You get different stages of doneness for them to kind of please everybody. There's our chimichurri. There we have it.